So in today's video, I'm just going to show you my all insights of YouTube. How much I earned actually, and what are the insights of YouTube. How much money YouTube gave to me. Everything will be cleared out in this video only. So watch this video till the end to know the whole insights of my YouTube.
Now it's time to take you a little tour of our channel dashboard. Here on this page, the analytical page, you will find some sections like overview, content, audience, revenue and research. These sections are a detailed analysis of your channel's performance. You can find the information from your channel's content analysis to your audience. However, I will take you to the most important section, which is revenue. Let me change the data from 28 days to 365 days. And now we will see the channel's revenue from the last 365 days. So here, as you can see, it is the estimated revenue generated from the past years, which is $17,917. Below, a graphical representation is also given. Moving on, I can see my monthly earnings throughout the year. Next to it, in the content performance section, you can see RPM of the channel. So RPM is the average revenue you can get every 1k views. This is the overall RPM of the channel. But you can also see the RPM of your videos. That means how many average dollars these videos earn on 1k views. Moving on this section shows the source of the channel's earning. For example, my videos generate the most revenue from watch page ads. Now, let me take you through my top earning content. For example, this video has generated about $1,900 so far this year. I'll click on it to see the detailed analysis to find the video that has solely gained over 10,000 subscribers. Its total views are 1.4 million and it has generated the revenue of 4,408.67. Now moving on to the reach section, it has total of 6.4 million impressions with 18.1% of impressions CTR. Moving on, as you can see, the data here shows the source of my videos find this video from. An inverted pyramid of impressions and how led to watching time. External sites or applications that directed to my video. YouTube search terms where my video is ranking. And lastly, the traffic source. I also keep an eye on the type of audience watching my content, like their gender, ratio, country, etc. As you can see, this video has most views from the Philippines and United States. It helps in determining whose query to focus more. Now, if you're wondering if you can do that too, the answer is yes. But here are few things to keep in mind. Number 1, make sure the content you are uploading focuses on viewers' query. Number 2, you can also take a look at the most searched issues and then make a video on these topics. Number 3, you can also indulge in brand sponsorships and affiliate earnings, just like we do. We make a significant amount with affiliation, which means promoting a product or service in our content and brand sponsors. Number 4, make your YouTube SEO game stronger because keywords matters a lot.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. But wait, this is the insight and these are the earnings just because of your support and just because of your love. So keep supporting our channel and keep loving us. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video.